Add your Spotify Pi Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral Instagram add yours trend right here. So keep on watching. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram, of course, and then from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. This one. And then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this Instagram account, you have to go to May add yours at highlights, or you can also go to June add yours at highlights. So we have it here. This is May and this is June. Once you get to this Instagram story, you have to click on the add yours button here. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you just have to add your Spotify Pi. And for that, I already have a video which shows you how to do your Spotify Pi. Let me go back quickly to show you from where you can get that tutorial. So you can go to May add yours at highlights. Tap until you find this story right here. This is the thumbnail, how to see Spotify pie chart. Here you have a tutorial and a link for the tutorial. Make sure to click on this link right here, this one. This one right here. And then click on that link and it will show you how you can do the Spotify chart. I also added it to June add yours, so you have it here to June next to the sticker. So let's go back and do our story. Click on the add yours button like I said, then add your Spotify Pi chart. Just like this, and once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and then from here you have to click to super viral at highlights this time. So here to super viral, and then you will see this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel once again and will help you fix your problem. So make sure to check that if you have problems by clicking on the add yours button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have some questions you can go ahead and comment down below your thoughts and I'll make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.